Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center. Today we have a Google Pixel 6 Pro with a very broken display and it's not gonna be turned off properly. So David is gonna fix it. Let's go. So this one is just flickering away, so if you have sensitivity to light, apologies, and I hope you still enjoy the rest of the video after we remove this flickering mess of a display. The same with the Google Pixel 6. The Google Pixel 6 Pro just opens up the same way, so you lift it up and angle it to on its left side on 90-degree angle. Remove the retaining clip and remove the connector itself. You can also do that through the back. Lift it up. You will have even pressure to lift up the connector. And here we have a replacement display. And we're gonna test it. See what we can do. Remember that we haven't really shut down the smartphone, so I think it's gonna just show us something right away, and it does. The beauty of Google Pixel smartphones is it's very easy to replace the display. You have this direct access to the connector itself and there's no drama. You can just pop in a new one without even shutting down the device, and that's a new discovery. I think we have dealt a lot of these cases before. Some smartphones just don't like the repair technician messing around with the components while the smartphone is still on. The Google Pixel is not really that picky. The only problem with this repair, it's not straightforward, is we need to transplant the fingerprint scanner module from the old display to the new one. So we have here, we're gonna align the fingerprint scanner module. We really have to be precise, but there's a guide there. I think David has very still, still fingers. I'm not fumbling around. He's a pro, so no problem for him. Very delicate process. So for DIY enthusiasts, if you want to repair your own Google Pixel 6 Pro, it's gonna be easy to replace the front display, but it's not easy to transplant the fingerprint scanner from the old display to the new one. So just bear that in mind. We have put fresh adhesive on the housing and install the replacement display. This is gonna be very quick. So if you have the same issue with your Google Pixel 6 Pro, I think all of the Google Pixels, when you drop them and they have damage on the sides, they're gonna flicker away like crazy. So if you want to solve that right away, go to Sydney CBD Repair Center or your local repair service technician and have it fixed. I think you need to source the correct display for this one. So if you don't want the hassle, just let the pro technicians do the work for you. You can see here, it's all fixed. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We release a lot of videos like this one. So if you're interested, follow us. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?